you have a spare one? Enough to go behind you. Take out the. Okay, can you put your bottles on the floor, please?
I got on the
Alright,
floor.
awesome. You can do something while you're all waiting. Yeah?
Jenny.
Like at the top.
Okay, no, don't take out. Wait, listen to me. Only take out the sound that we are doing. What's the sound? Not turn. Okay, so look for that sound and bring it out. Okay? Oh, I found mine, but I can't show it to you.
Otherwise someone will see.
Okay, look for the sound. Okay,
Spread
turn
it.
it over.
William, spread it nicely. You'll find it in there.
Remember the sound is.
This?
Oh, Oh, I drew it on the board yesterday.
It's on the board.
It is on the board today.
And the teacher and this Kelly, she also.
Okay, look at the
Kelly,
board.
Kelly.
Look at the board. What is that sound? Right, so look for that sound in your bag of sounds. Oh, okay.
This none is here. See, none is override.
See, this is what you should have checked. Yeah?
Oh, what happened?
It's a different letter.
T?
Yeah.
Oh, the tail. Okay.
This one. This one.
Look at the board. What sound is on the board?
It's like different
See, don't mix up your letters.
Otherwise it will be.
William, you found yours. Let me have a look.
Don't mix up your letters with him. Bring it this side. Right. You use that side. As soon as you find it, the sound is.
I'll find a way to take that tail out. Yes. I can see it. Yeah, but I know it's my mistake. Yeah. Now I know what you mentioning.
Okay. Look at the sound on the board. That's the sound we need to look for.
Yeah, I'll do something.
It's like you just need one page. Just keep putting that in all the boxes.
Yes.
And bring just one page.
Okay.
No, why should don't worry about these. Look at the sound on the board. Look at the sound on the board. That's what you need to look for, okay?
It's this.
Does that look like that sound? Okay, well then it's not
It cannot
that.
go for two people.
I found mine. I'm putting mine there.
And also, when you was trying to push,
You have to turn it over so that we can see your sound.
I can't see any of my sounds. Yeah, look.
Okay, that one doesn't have a sound.
Yeah, there are some plain. Yeah, I just left it in their cards.
This one, it was
Turn it over. Turn it over. Make sure you have all your sound cards. Did you find yours?
Yes.
Did you show it to Kelly? Is it the correct one? Okay, good job. Good job. Come on, Madeira. Come on, Delilah. Did you find it? Okay, just look carefully. See, you go here. Look at me. Show your hands. If it's not the sound, just put it up here. Okay? Put it up here. Okay, these ones, no, it's not here. So put it up. Put it away. If it's not the sound, turn it
No,
over.
Delilah, don't put it there. You're gonna mix yours with Sehaj. Right, put it to your side. Right.
Good job. Put the rest away. Put the rest away. Keep this one here. Keep this one here. That's the sound. Yes? No?
Yeah, no, those are plain. So put it back into your plastic. Put it back.
Okay, so Delilah.
Put it
if
back.
it is not
Here,
the
in
sound,
yours.
let's put it back in our bags. Okay?
That's your bag.
This is sound.
This is William's.
Put it back so it's easy for you.
Right. Here.
Put it back. Okay?
Manira, spread it there.
Are you sure? Yeah, these are your cards.
Spread it nicely.
Take away all the sounds.
And then we'll
No, what's her name? Her name is not teacher?
Spread it nicely. Spread it nicely.
What's her name? You don't know any name? Her name is Kelly. You
Yeah,
call
which
Kelly.
one? Yes, Isaac.
Short.
You can't find it.
Here,
Ask
here.
Jenny.
Hold it like this. Is this the sound? Okay, then put it in. Is the sound? No.
Yeah, I know. Teacher Kelly's wrong, so it's that one. I will correct it for you, dear. Good girl.
Do the one in front of you. No.
Here, put the rest in your bag.
Did you find it? Okay, keep going until you have a sound left. Is this the one?